Hello you guys, it has been a minute, it's been a lot more than a minute. I don't even know when was the last time I recorded a video and or published one. This is my second time trying to record a video this month. My first one got completely scrapped because of this microphone. Absolutely sucked, but yeah, I'm here now. I'm sitting here after Hurricane Milton. Everything's still kind of flooded, but it's not the end of the world. I hope you guys enjoyed that little intro because it took me just about as long as you would imagine to make, with having to place the camera places, go back, get it, that. I'll see if you guys like that or not, and if it was worth doing it or not in the editing. But yeah, today I'm here to, I guess, pretty much let you guys know, and I'm gonna be doing a couple installs. Suki a while ago was impounded, back in September, mid-September, somewhere like that. She was impounded because I had been driving her without registration and or insurance since November of last year, 2023. It is now 2024. It is October 2024, which means I had driven the car for almost a full year without registration or insurance. Basically didn't know that you cannot register a salvage title here in Florida. Because of that reason, I have been pretty much driving the equivalent of no plate and unregistered, like completely, like no insurance. If I got into an accident, I probably would have been cooked. So kind of grateful the cop pulled me over, but also kind of pissed off. So I got a couple things I got to check off on the checklist before I can get this thing inspected, which today it is Monday the 14th. I am getting this car inspected Wednesday on the 16th. So we got quite a lot of work to do. I'm going to be changing the steering wheel. I'm going to be changing the exhaust because I'll show you guys in a little bit. This Tomei is completely disconnected right now. You guys probably heard it. Honestly, Tomei is completely disconnected. So steering wheel, Tomei, try and clear some codes, try and diagnose some codes. So we're gonna go ahead and get a couple things done that I've been needing to get done, especially the exhaust, because as I'll show you guys in a minute, the Tomei is completely disconnected. So I got a fun new little toy. I got the GoPro Hero 11 Mini, which I will be using for most of this video because my phone is pretty low on battery. So let me know what you guys think about that, and I think that's enough yapping. Let's get to the video. What I wanted to show you guys was this, which I discovered yesterday. So I'm really happy that I bought a new exhaust. Can you tell me what's wrong here? So we got to get rid of that. So let's go ahead and pop the GoPro on, and let's go ahead and get started on this. All right, we are on the GoPro. Let's put all this stuff in here. Let's get started. As you can see, the exhaust is over there. So we need a couple of tools. This is also the steering wheel that is going in the car. That is for later. This is something I don't need. Let's go ahead, and I hear something kind of cool, but I think it's just a truck. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Keep going. It's a nice ass C6. Huh. Damn it. Oh yeah. She's cooked. So this is a Megan Racing Drift Spec exhaust. This is what I originally wanted to get for Suki before I even got her first exhaust. This was my like first dream exhaust, I guess you could call it. Runs you about 400 bucks. Not too shabby. Gaskets, screws. First though, Tomei needs to come off, which is literally only held in with one exhaust hanger and a V-band. Mint. So let's go ahead and get this Tomei off. Boom, magic, yay, editing. So here's the Tomei. This is where our failure point was, around the weld. Just kind of decided to rip off, so not ideal quality for an exhaust. All right, well, I hope my GoPro's in the right place. Just had to take off this. So previous owner that had this Tomei did a V-band conversion on it, and I have no V-band. So I had to get a 3-inch flange conversion to a V-band, which then I could use the V-band that he provided to run the Tomei. So I'm trying to sell this puppy because I paid like 80 bucks for that, and the V-band is worth like, I don't know, 50. All of this is going to be wall art probably. Now we're going to move on to the Megan Racing. I'm going back to normal 3-inch flange. I could not locate the hanger that I needed. I guess maybe I left it at home, which home is about 3 hours away. So let's just say I can't really reach that anytime soon. It's not something that I really need to run. It would make the exhaust a lot stiffer, but the exhaust doesn't shake around too much, so I'm pretty confident. So pretty much you go first mid pipe, then rear pipe. Obviously hang with the hangers. Won't be able to use this middle one until again I find that adapter. So first we're gonna go ahead and grab the bag that Megan Racing has provided. I need to grab one of these puppies, and I need to grab 2 of these screws. Very nice and zinc coated, as well as a very nice gasket. I don't think these are directional. I don't think it really matters, just center it. So I'm gonna guess that these are both 14s, judging by my previous experience with these guys. 14 and 14, so yes, double 14. And then we'll try our best not to scratch this mid pipe. It'll get beat and battered. Also, this is normal. I will show you guys why. Let me get down here. FDF axle spacers, absolutely amazing. So I don't know if you guys can see this little cross brace up here. That's what that little divot's for. It's to pretty much get over that cross brace without needing to hit it. I don't remember if the stock exhaust had that, but I'm pretty sure because the stock exhaust was like a 2.25 inch diameter, it didn't need it. But since I have upgraded this entire exhaust up to 3-inch, it is necessary for the exhaust to fit. So usually you'd have a hanger right here. Mine is missing. Try not to scratch that drive shaft. That wouldn't be ideal. Okay. Then we're gonna grab our tools here. I'm just gonna hand tighten for now, and then we'll go ahead and finalize everything in place once it's centered. I'm not really sure how much you guys are gonna be able to see. Let's hope enough. If you guys are curious about my exhaust setup, I have Flag Shark test pipes, Circuit Works resonated Y pipe, and now I have a Megan Racing drift spec catback. If you were ever interested in the setup that I chose to run on Suki, I am absolutely in love with this setup. I wouldn't change a thing about it. All right, just like that, the mid pipe's on. That is making contact, but will not later once the rest of the exhaust is on. What's up? Always love running into people that know me. It's really cool. It's like I'm like a small celebrity here on campus, just because I post a ton on the stories for campus and people see them, they love them. So it's pretty cool meeting everyone from here, chatting a little bit. This is the last thing from the Tomei I didn't remove because we all know how much we hate hangers. As you can tell, those are some really tight clearances. All of that to be able to run that low life, which the Tomei would not allow me to do. But fortunately, Megan Racing does. They know about the low life. We're going on. Please just finish going in. Wow, it's weird actually having a normal sized muffler. That's a whole nother story. Okay, once you get it through the hanger, lines right up. Because they have a shitty alignment. go. I always think it's campus security coming up to talk to me. They're not the biggest fans of this stuff. Like, they don't really mind it, but they're not huge fans of kids jacking up cars and doing shit like this, but can't stop us from doing what we love. So we're hitting the diff a little bit. Probably something normal that's gonna occur, but plain and simple as that. That's the new exhaust, baby. Wow, that is not as protruding as the Tomei was. But yeah, I'm gonna be running the silencer for the inspection, but I can go ahead and take it off for this little test start to see how she sounds. So let me go ahead and get everything set up, take the silencer off, which is just 2 bolts, and let's hear how she sounds. Okay, I got it off. Total bitch. I kind of dented the exhaust taking it off, but whatever. Well, now all that's left is for some POV driving. So, let's do this. Windows down, necessary. Just gonna go around campus because can't drive this car legally on the road, and we follow laws here. Campus roads are completely separate from actual roads, so thank goodness for having a big campus. All right, let's get to driving. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, guess I wasn't recording, thought I was. Nice. Over yet. It's over. Alrighty guys, gonna cut it short there because I'm about to meet up with a friend, but I don't know about you guys, but that sounded fucking amazing. I am beyond stoked with this exhaust, and yeah, so Suki's one step closer. We are gonna go ahead and do the wheels separately, not in this video, not in any video, because I wouldn't make a video about replacing a wheel. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that was somewhat informative to you guys, as well as I hope you enjoyed the new camera angles, the POV shit, and yeah, I think he's somewhere around here now. I heard him. I heard a Civic Type R, but yes sir, we good.